Hi, I'm Bree from Grafa. Up next, we have the BoBe app. You're live with Grafa at Token 2049. We're streaming from Marina Bay Sands, Singapore, in day 2 of the conference, and we are thrilled to invite our next guest, Denis from BoBe App. Hi, Denis. Can you tell me how you're going?
Hello, Bree. I'm super excited to be here, and thank you for inviting us.
Amazing. Denis, can you let us know what is BoBe App?
Actually, BoBe App is a Web3 platform empowered with algo trading system and helps people to get rewards in USDT with as simple as just a kind of staking coins on the platform, and boom, USDT generates up to you.
Incredible. Denis, can you also explain how a beginner can quickly and safely make money in the crypto market?
Yeah, let's compare 3 things. For example, the crypto loans, the classic staking, and the BoBe App baking.
Can you tell us a little bit more about those tools, and in particular, baking?
Yeah, sure, of course. So crypto loans works as similar, like banking deposits, where you can deposit some of your USDT or other crypto asset and get a kind of a stable return, but which is relatively small comparing to the crypto market returns. So it's going to be like 2, 3, 4% annual, but it's stable, and nothing to do, Then staking is a kind of thing with a relatively small percent, but the thing is, it's inflational because you're staking a token and you receive a token in return as a reward, but it's inflation. It means, and of course you never know what is the price of the token in the future. It can go up, it can go down, risky, and a low percent as well. But what is about baking? Baking is as I said, it's a service backed by the algo trading, meaning that we're trading the liquidity which comes from the purchases of the coin on the spot market, and we trade on 6 top exchanges like OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, HTX, and generate real revenue. And by the end of the day, this revenue goes to the smart contract, to the users, and distribute rewards according to the coins baked on their own.
Wow.
That's it.
So do you see a lot of uptake of users in this space?
Actually, I didn't quite get the question, sorry.
Are you finding a lot of customers taking on board baking?
Actually, we're now conducting a testnet on the platform, and we are having already more than 15,000 wallets connected within a few weeks.
Wow.
And the testnet is ongoing until the end of this month, and we're planning to go live by the end of October.
That's super exciting. Denis, can you tell me about where is BoBe now and what stage of the project are you working on?
As I mentioned, we're on the testnet, and we're participating here in Singapore and got so many insights and collaborations regarding enabling the fiat payments to get BoBe, enabling the credit cards to use on rewards that you generate, and then you can use them to take USDT and spend them in real life. So we're trying to build the ecosystem around BoBe so people can use it, on the daily basis.
Right.
And algo trading is behind them. Algorithms work 24/7, and people live their life and having benefits from the crypto market. So that's the core idea. And by the end of the month, as I said, we're going live, and we will attend at Blockchain Live in Dubai by the end of this month. So join us.
I absolutely will. That's super exciting. Denis, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for your time, and we wish you all the best with BoBe.
Appreciate it, Bree, and thank you so much. It's so good to attend the kind of events and having a small talk here on Token 2049.
Absolutely. You've been live with Denis from BoBe App, and that's at Token 2049. If you want any more interviews or need to stay up to date with the news, head to grafa.com or download the Grafa app.